arbitrary length, something I think is going to look about right. So that's about there. Any for this really. All I need to do is be able to get the tumbles up the middle. That's good enough. All end of the hammer, just working the transition on the cut face. A fishtail of sorts. Right, send these two back together now. Reinstate the knobs on the end that I burned off. Never the same the second time round, is it? Bit of a mess this is. Then I work these full of edges. Trying to get a rugby ball shape. If you're not from Britain, that's a bit like American football, only bigger and for real men. No, that was a joke. It's only a joke. Don't get angry. Now, if I was feeling very brave, which I am, I'd use the ball end of the hammer to spread these wings out a little bit and give it a bit more shape. And this is where it's going to go really badly wrong for me. That's about going to do it for me. Right. These apart again. Just a piece of 2-inch pipe I had lying about. finished article. Some of it I'm a little bit pleased with, some of it I'm not very pleased with. I'm pleased with that shape there and the fishtail, reasonably pleased with that. I'm pleased with the overall dimensions and proportions involved here. Of course the crucial bit, this, I'm not very pleased with at all. I've ended up burning it pretty horribly, and that's real basics, you know. Shouldn't be doing that now. I've lost the knobs on the ends. I suppose it might be a workable item. In fact, those need bending around a bit more, don't they? Because if hang anything on them, they're going to fall off, I reckon. I'm wondering more and more where I should be going in my quest to be a reasonable blacksmith. I'm taking lessons every week off a master blacksmith, and I think personally where I'm going wrong is that I try and do something new every time I come in here, and what I need to be doing is practicing over and over again things I've already done. Well, that doesn't make very good viewing really, probably, but having said that, this is more of a vlog now than anything else, this channel, so I don't know, I might move towards showing how I've progressed in some things and practicing them a couple of times. My teacher's fond of telling me that for him certainly he'll make something 3 times, and by the 3rd time he knows exactly what he's doing, where the problems are, and more importantly how long it takes him to make it, because that enables him to cost it if he needs to. Now obviously that doesn't apply to me because I don't sell stuff, but the principle's the same. I'll think on this and see where we go from here. Careful. Go.